So we're out here day 3. We're about to go meet up with the legend Sam King. Check him out on YouTube and Instagram if you haven't. Link will be down in the description below. It's gonna be an epic day. Stay tuned for what we get into. Like I said, day 3 at Revelstoke. Here we go. That was sick.
Once the tires get wet, she's done.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Just gotta do a burnout. Little tip. Hey, Abby, what just happened?
I went for a ride down there.
Out of sight.
Oh man. Good times, guys.
This stuff out here in Revelstoke ain't no joke. Good thing she's a trooper.
The rocks broke my fall.
And the trees stopped her from falling to the bottom of the rocks.
Yeah.
All right, time to lift the bike out. Had an epic third day. Rode with Sam King the whole time. Unbelievable rider he is. Time for us to do some fuel filter changes. When you're on a long road trip, you gotta be prepared for everything. So, you know, in the diesel trucks, you have to do fuel filters every so often. Now's the time to do them.
Diesel life.
Diesel life. Yeah, Revelstoke. One for the books. Can't wait to come back. The people we met out here are amazing. The trails are amazing. What else can I say? It's worth it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for our next adventure. We're going to keep it rolling through Canada, back to the US, and who knows where we go from there. So in Revelstoke, you have public RV dumping and potable water fill-ups. Super sick. It's free. Definitely use it. Back on the road.
Here we go.